In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete custom fields in ClickUp. If you have a custom field showing in your list view that you no longer need, ClickUp makes it very quick to remove. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete the field cleanly and confirm that it has been removed. To begin, start from your home workspace and open the list view where the custom field is currently visible as a column. This part is important because you need to be in the specific view where that field is displayed so you can access its options directly from the column header. Once you're in the correct list view, look across the top of your task table and find the custom field column you want to remove. When you locate it, click directly on the column header name. If you prefer, you can also right-click on the header instead. Either method should open the field options menu for that custom field. After the menu appears, look for the option labeled Delete Field and click it. This is the action that tells ClickUp you want to permanently remove that custom field rather than simply hiding the column from view. So before you continue, make sure you've selected the correct field. Next, confirm the deletion when ClickUp asks you to verify the action. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions, which is especially helpful if you're working in a shared workspace or managing fields that multiple people may have used. Once you confirm, the custom field column will disappear from the list view immediately. That's your visual confirmation that the deletion was successful. If the field is gone, then the action has been completed and you're all set. And that's it. As you can see, deleting a custom field in ClickUp is a very short process. Open the right list view, access the column header menu, choose Delete Field, and confirm. If you're cleaning up your workspace and removing fields you no longer use, this is a simple way to keep your views organized and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.